Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate banners in Minecraft, ensuring you have enough decorative items for your builds. To begin, gather two banners that share the exact same pattern and color. One will act as your template. You also need a single, blank banner of the same base color you wish to duplicate. Make sure you have a crafting table readily available, as this is where the duplication process occurs very easily. Now head over to your crafting table. Place your patterned banner, the one you wish to duplicate, into any single slot on the 9-slot crafting grid. Then, take your blank banner, ensuring it is the same base color as your patterned one, and place it into another empty slot. A new, identical patterned banner will appear in the result slot, ready for you to collect and use. To make this process truly efficient, always keep a good stock of blank banners in the colors you use most frequently. Remember, banners are crafted from 6 pieces of wool and 1 stick. You will also need various dyes to create your initial unique patterns before duplication. Having these materials on hand will streamline your building projects immensely. For maximum efficiency, duplicate your favorite and most complex banner designs well in advance of needing them. Consider keeping a dedicated chest near your primary crafting area filled with blank banners of common colors. This clever technique saves significant time and resources compared to recrafting each elaborate design from scratch every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.